Cool.
Yeah. So you go back to rear view. And this is camera stitching, so 3 cameras. And you're stitching the image so you can kind of see the movement across the 3. It gets down to 100 milliseconds.
And this is, both screens are running off the same SoC?
Yeah, of course. So now, this is the responsiveness of the UI. Yeah. Now if you say, let's go to navigation, so just to be able to show you how responsive the navigation is while you have something running in the back. So it's actually loading up the map.
That up there is 4 cores, 4 CPU cores and GPU?
4 CPU cores in the GPU.
Okay.
And so now you can take a look at, so this is Brussels, this is a preloaded map, but you can take a look at how responsive that is.
Wow.
I didn't realize we have 3D on this. We do have 3D on this. Yeah. I should have put that button in many previous demos. So you can kind of just, just look at how smooth the overall experience is while the right hand side is.
Are you guys currently supporting multi-touch in this setup yet?
Not yet.
Okay, so multi-touch is the next step forward.
So pinch and zoom, and we have to kind of work with the actual application itself. But yeah, we will have that support.
Okay.
So let's go to applications. So we don't have a number of things that we would normally show in a private demo in terms of all of the various applications. Or what we have as an example. Hey Cassidy. Hey Cassidy. Could you stop this for a second, please? So lane detection. No, actually, could you exit out, Cassidy?
Guys in the blacks.
So this is the lane detection demo. So what this does, it basically starts off the video. Cameras are focused on the screen in front of you, and it's detecting whether you're in your lane or not.
Okay.
And then the arrows are basically tied to the drive route that you have, so it's giving you instructions as to when you need to get out of your lane, etc. So this is something that we actually put together in about 5 weeks.
Okay, wow.
So at CES, we decided we wanted to add this for MWC. So the cool thing is, we can obviously show this standalone, but to be able to have it integrated in what is almost a very complex configuration already is kind of what the team did an awesome job with. Now, let me show you. Do you want to record some more?
No, that's perfect.
So let's go to. So this is kind of if you wanted to project a movie on the rear seat, this is an example of that.
Oh, you can just drop it over, and then it sends it over to the screen.
Yeah. So that's again a neat little implementation that the team did in-house. Now, everything that you see here is all done in-house. So there is no third party, whether it's the UI or the graphics or...
Okay, so there's no...
all of this is in-house.
You guys aren't running any middleware? Okay.
This is all our own stuff. Every single thing here is in-house. The Bluetooth profiles for Automotive are done in-house. All of the Wi-Fi, mirror link, Miracast, all of that is done in-house. All join obviously is internal. So since you are pretty familiar with the portfolio, that's the part that's really awesome. That we haven't really seen, and of course as we start to get to more pre-production type solutions, we will have to build very specific interfaces there. But whatever you're seeing here is all done by us. Let's do the game. So now this is kind of the most strenuous use case, right? So you have this application running, doing the lane detection, and he's going to start a console quality game, and you will see the graphics, and it's a very cool game to show off in terms of the graphics themselves, but for them to be running together is kind of what's really...
And the lane departure stuff and lane detection is primarily done on CPU?
Yeah.
Okay.
In this implementation, yes.
Okay.
And we can and we're looking at what we need to do on DSP.
Okay. And because you want to see if you can reduce the power consumption by doing it on DSP.
Exactly.
And what resolution are you running this game at?
720.
Okay.
I believe the game is 1080, but what you're seeing is 720.
Okay. Okay, so it's just a display limitation. Okay, cool. But you guys are able to do this similar at 1080p as well?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so it's just the displays themselves are only 720.
Correct. In fact, on the MP2 project, they show us on the big screen the same game.
Okay.
At 1080p.
Okay, cool.
It's not. It doesn't have enough. What's the lighting?